Vivian soldier. We was broke, now they know. Got on Vivian choker. I'm a Vivian soldier. I'm a Vivian soldier.
What's good, Amy boys? No, so long, man. You feel me? Back outside again, man. Hold on. Let me flip cam. I'm driving. You know what I'm saying? Let me get y'all right where we go. Let me get y'all hit. We finna go hit this wood. This wing stop, man. You gotta eat before you know what I'm saying? Before you can pop out. Gotta eat. We ain't eating good. We ain't eating McDonald's today. We eat that at home, bro. We ain't at home. I don't know what it be like when you black people, when they go somewhere, they gotta eat extra, like just because they not at home. Like I don't have to eat any stuff, but I gotta eat it. No cap. Look at all the traffic out here though, man. We ain't in by the action yet for real. I don't know. I think I'm gonna call this a vlog though. I think this is gonna be a vlog video, cause like I don't know what's gonna happen. It ain't no confirmed meet. You know what I'm saying? We out here though. But I'm gonna get back at y'all, man, after we go grab these wings, you know what I'm saying? Bust them down real quick.
Look. Only truck right there is playing.
Hey, his truck only, 1 and 1, no cap. No cap. That's fact. No cap. For real. When I seen your truck, that's how I know it's your truck.
Hold on. Go ahead. He right.
I'm right here.
He right here.
I ain't gonna lie. I knew your truck. I knew. Every time I seen it, I knew it was one. You feel me? I knew.
Bro, if I start my YouTube and I start that truck, bro, that bitch would have been.
Bro, you might as well start now though. You might as well start too.
Hold on, man. I'm coming right back. Hello.
See what we out here with. We got Camaros. We got Wingstop.
I was gonna call my mama.
I ain't gonna lie.
Hold on, but
I'm trying to eat and record. I'm trying to eat and record. No, bro, watch out, bro. I ain't get to eat my wings yet, bro. When niggas don't record, they eating their wings. I eat fries. Look out here, man. Oh, them all Z06s. C6s, bro. There's like 3 of them. They threw here on the Tuesday. Hey, you wanna walk around real quick? Huh? It don't matter, look, you wanna walk around real quick? I'll got my keys, come on. Man, we got Prius right here, you know what I'm saying? Tinted windows on there. Why you put some food up? I ain't gonna lie, I'm hungry. See? This is somebody cat. I'm telling you. Yeah, something like that. Clean the Rango, no cap. Yeah, we got them dudes out here. Oh, they SC straight too. Scat dude. You about to get hit. Bro, I was about to get hit. Austin, hold on, bro. You see this? Oh, bro, you getting hit, bro? You good? We got Mustang. Everything out here. That blue sky hard too, no cap. I ain't gonna lie, we got wide body. Man, them dudes out here, no cap. Right through here. Hey, it's hard too. It's hard too. For real, he just went by. Josh and Ron. No cap. Heat in person, 10 out of 10, bro. 10 out of 10. We got everything out here. I'm gonna get back at you. Not Nick coming in popping, bro. Come on now. Some more. They all just came from the other meat. That's jailbreak for you. This food is so different right now.
Man, that bitch so loud.
That bitch was popping.
That bitch is loud, bro.
That loud. That's looking great.
Look at the Whipple. Whipple Mustang. I think they coming in here.
Yeah, they are.
I don't know where they gonna park. I bet they got a parking spot. It's slapping out here though. I'm smacking in the camera. Oh my God, look at that silver, bro, with the black. He hard. Your wife got the same thing. Come here. Okay. Come here. Oh, you wrapped that on some Halloween too.
Yeah.
This silver hard though, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what it be about them silvers, bro. Them silvers slept on.
Fuck all that. I'm with my truck up too.
Man, you should've, bro.
Maybe should be a sleeper.
Hey, nigga car was tanked all up and shit.
Yeah, he did that on some Halloween tip.
It's hard. Bro, I'm telling you, bro, back to the truck, they were like, what the fuck?
What's going on?
Yeah,
No cap. That's a fact, bro. You should've brought that bit for real, man. You could've been doing that. What he just hit? You seen that? Why his car just bounced like that?
Got my shirt.
Heat, man. We got the jailbreak, dude. With the SIG on the side. With the SIG on the side. We out here though. Oh, there they go the rest of them right there. There go the rest of them right there. No cap. Man, I ain't gonna lie, I'm smashing on the camera. I ain't gonna lie. I know when I edit this, slap it. Slap it. We got a matte black Charger back there, Scat, Camaro. You feel me? Everybody out here. We got bikes. There's too much going on. Look at the lane nigga, bro. Still eating chicken.
Yeah, bro. I swear to God, man.
I'm still on my fries, bro. Oh,
This shit hit so hard.
I can't wait to eat mine, boy. When I eat mine, so I ain't gonna lie, I'm turning the camera off a little bit. My mouth full. Y'all like, I'm tripping. What do I want, bro? Just said like, comment, subscribe, bro. I mean, y'all should do that though. But the way I said it, like I was ending the video. This is gonna be a vlog, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Before his eyes. Look at him, missing paper. Look at him. I'm trying to wipe it up. Now everybody see that. Before his eyes.
Good little washer. I ain't gonna lie. Other company who get a spot that fast, clutch it there.
That's because we knew somebody, man. Shout out to bro, man. He pulled the scat up for us, boy. Camaro had left, man. We was parked right here in between these cars, right here. We got lucky, bro. We good. I'ma get back at y'all real quick, man. I'm finna eat this chicken, man. I'll be back, man. I just banged that chicken, huh? You trying to do a burner? We got a McLaren dude up here. Stop playing. We got a McLaren dude. We outside. Hellcat. They out here tripping today, boy. Okay. You see my baby just chilling out here, just chilling on the low key tip. No cap. Not gonna lie. But everybody really is out here just talking for real. You know what I'm saying? Just talking and chilling. $300 over there, so crazy. We out over there. We got this ST slipped on though. I finally can hold the camera for real. There's some cars over there too though. I ain't go over there and look. This 300 clean.
Oh, this the real one.
That means
It's the real
the
stuff.
dude that had this.
This the 28 to 20.
You know who had this though? You seen the owner of it? Was he black? Cause I know somebody that owned one of these just like this. I thought this was dude. Yeah, this actual seat. Like this the 300C that come with a 6.4. This the like 2023.
Yeah, let's take that.
Yeah, it's like 2,000 of these made. This a real swap. This like the real deal factory swap for real. Then we got the 300, man. He pushing that. He tripping in that. That's turbo.
He got a camera on the back. He really doing
Yeah,
it.
you.
That's why he got that on there.
Nah, for real.
5 spokes on there.
5 spokes on the GP trip. He tripped on the Cherokee. Then we got it on the 14 too. The SRT4, that's a real SRT right there. That's a SRT neon right there. No, I swear that's a real SRT.
I know.
SRT4 dude. That bitch so rare though, I ain't gonna lie. Then you got the Jeep. I think this was a 5.7. This probably a 5.7. 5.7, man. They got a lot of, I ain't gonna lie, they got a lot of dudes out here though. 300. I want to say this is, I want to say a cat because the caliber's big on this bitch. Oh, that's a cat, yep. Cat. Stop playing. Family got the Hellcat. That's another Hellcat 300. Stop playing. Now let them go through real quick. This a cat. Stop playing. Nigga sleeping on this too. This bitch probably not stock. And he on the. He not slow.
I'm taking my time.
This is scat swap right here. Oh my God, so much going on. I don't know where to stand in the bitch. No cat. We got. Yeah. We just doing the same loop, huh? I didn't go back here though. I ain't like this a rare Hellcat. Pumpkin. Yeah, this orange rare. Another Hellcat, red eye. Man.
Yeah, red eye.
Red eye, RT dude. See, this is TA. This is TA, yeah, 6.4. 5.0, 13 body. That's a lot of cars in here, low key. We got purple wide body scat. All right, stop playing. We got we got C6, C5, Camaro. Stop playing. Scat. This, whoa, what is this? What's this, gold?
Ooh, and he got
This hard. He tripped on this. I'm gonna have to record this one. I gotta record both, you feel me? Okay. This one hard, no cut. Look at this, bro. This is scat. It got brown seats in it.
bro, this is Hellcat, bro.
No, it's a scat. say 392 on this Instagram too.
Oh, dude, we got SRT rims.
SRT wild body. Hey, we didn't even see. We didn't even see that green Charger right here though. Right here. Green Charger, Hellcat.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
Red eye.
That's fine.
Oh my gosh.
Crazy.
It's a red eye. He clean. Josh run again. We always gotta go look at that again. No cap. I gotta record my phone again. He came crazy for sure.
His other car, yeah.
It's crazy.
Oh, it's so crazy.
Oh,
this
cut.
motherfucker is though.
And he got the custom exhaust on there too. Literally. No cut. There go eBay. That is crazy.
I appreciate it.
This heat.
I appreciate it.
Everybody out here. Yeah, I got the McLaren. I walked in the back way. That's crazy. They doing anything out here. No cap. They doing anything out here. Slapping out here though. Like I said, this probably just gonna be a vlog for real. No cap. It's hard, I ain't gonna lie. This a little grip. We got a drip right hand drive, man. JDM. Right hand drive. He was ready for the Halloween theme. Got tape all on the whip.
I hear you, bro.
This so hard though, I heard. There's so much going on out here though. It's crazy. Oh god. It's just crazy how like we just Josh rev up. Is he finna rev it though? Oh, he just got it on.
You gotta let it warm up.
Yeah, no, I know that's what I'm saying. I thought he was finna rev it. But he probably is gonna let it warm up then rev it type. I gotta get up there now, no cap. Fire. Let's see what this do. Trying to get this so bad on camera, no cap. Gotta see a lot of this for real. So many people out here for this business. Stop playing. Man, it's like it done messed up the focus on the camera. Bro, why the cam ain't focusing, bro? Why the cam, bro? Yo, why the cam ain't focusing? Still messed up. Yeah, Lambo didn't almost broke the cam. Yeah, you fiend, bro. You don't even use your camera. How you a fiend on your camera and don't use it, bro? That's crazy. Oh, there you go. There you go, y'all. He had unfocused the camera. That's heat, man. Be outside, bro. On a Tuesday. On a Tuesday, though. You hear me? On a Tuesday. We out here, though. No cat be cat. This is a random day. My ear straight now, I ain't gonna lie. My ear straight now. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. It's crazy. They'll be chilling off. Ears messed up, man. I might not even can't even drop this. I can't hear it. Let me stop playing. Can't hear it. Not a car accident. How do you do that? On the ground? She done bagged into the car, man.
What happened?
She bagged into the car.
What happened?
She bagged up. She wasn't paying attention. She bagged into the Camaro. Yeah. It ain't that bad though.
You don't even see nothing.
Ain't no wrong with it.
No. Lay on the car flat, bro. Who's the owner? Just lay on the car, bro.
Lay down. Hey, that bitch total.
Ain't no way.
Total. You gotta get a whole new car. Hey, don't be pushing me. What the fuck? What you put your hands on me for? What the fuck?
Where, right here?
Fuck out of here, boy.
This for the fight, yeah? Not bagging into the car.
Hey, watch out for you get here.
Yeah, let me tell you if it's hitting me. Okay. The insurance gonna be like, you hit a Camaro? She mad now? I see mine. No. She mad, bro.
Karen started moving. Insurance gonna be like, you hit a what? A Camaro? Not bagging into people. Not bagging into people. They don't chip out here, man. Okay. Cool little bit, cool little bit. We got some action on cam.
what I'm saying? We finna go to the crib. Finna go to the crib, man. Mustang, bro. Police hot, bro.
They hot as hell.
They outside, bro. All this came from an old lady bagging it to a Camaro. And now the police over here like, what's up? The insurance gonna be like, you hit a what? Camaro? Hey, what about lift that much? I'll be alright.
Yeah.
Let's see what the police are.
I feel like he finna. Oh yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. He pre-launched that bitch like, he like, you know how when you like,
Yeah, we
lock it? Yeah, that's what he did. Like, I watched him do it. He had both hands on the shit too.
I'm trying to get him, bro.
He locked that bitch and just took off.
Straight.
Hell yeah.
Hey, we gonna get over here, man. Police ain't got nothing else to do. You feel me? Just bothering us, bro.
They might as well race the Audi.
Every time I do this, I feel like that's when they think we about to race. Like, nah, I'm just trying to show you. I'm just trying to show the car,
And there's
bro.
a cat over here. Hey,
Show the car.
nah. Why they on that? Yeah, on cam. No cam. We can't express for that. Cat. He rough.
Oh, they finna race. Let me see that.
Oh, y'all finna. Oh yeah, get that camera.
Finna race.
It's finna be 3 of them. Cause
What
it's
is
cat
that over there? Oh yeah, it is a cat over there.
That's supercharged.
I don't know what it is.
Damn! That thing gone. Oh my god. He finna go get him, bro. Oh, there goes John's right there. Come on now, Huracan, man. 1 and 1 exhaust on there, man. Oh. You see it? Oh, they trying to get up. Look what's going on. You gotta go home and look, man. Let me get this on my snap like you pull it back. Come on now, John, just run, man. Stop playing, man. It's everything out here.
Man, he tripping in his turbo, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Ride home, boy. Everybody dumb. You know what I'm saying? Text him. Oh, where you at? He hard, bro. He hard for that, man. Miss you, bro. He ain't miss you with a hurricane, man. I'm too late right now. Look at all the police kicking everybody out, bro. Oh, he pulled somebody over. Somebody got pulled up. Why they all over the road? I mean, good vibes today, though. I ain't gonna lie. It's supposed to be in Florida. It's not no car meet, but it was. I ain't gonna lie. It really was a car meet, but I ain't come here for that. I thought the car meet was over, but it's Florida. It's always something on move, bro.